Welcome to Töölö, one of Helsinki's most charming neighborhoods. Today, we're taking a peaceful stroll through its tree-lined streets, historic buildings, and serene parks. Töölö isn't just a place to live, it's a space where tradition meets tranquility, and every corner has a story to tell. So, let's take it slow, breathe in the crisp Nordic air, and explore together. We start here, at Sibelius Park, a lush expanse connecting Töölö to the bustling city center. With its winding paths and scenic views of Töölönlahti Bay, it's the perfect spot to relax, jog, or enjoy a quiet moment. Look at how the sunlight dances on the water. It's pure Helsinki magic. Töölö is a showcase of Helsinki's architectural evolution. These buildings, many constructed in the 1920s and 30s, represent the national romantic and Nordic classicism styles. Notice the intricate details, the muted pastel tones, and the solid craftsmanship. Each facade tells its own story, blending seamlessly into the neighborhood's modern rhythm. One of Töölö's gems is this seamless connection between urban life and nature. Here it feels like time moves a little slower. The gentle rustling of leaves, the faint chirping of birds, and the occasional laughter of children create a soundtrack that's both calming and energizing. Whether you're taking a leisurely walk, pausing to admire the wildflowers along the paths, or simply sitting by the shore watching the sun dip low, the waterfront is a reminder of why Töölö is so beloved. It's more than just a neighborhood, it's a retreat. But what truly makes Töölö special are its people. This is a neighborhood of artists, families, and students, each bringing their own energy to the streets. Walking here, you can feel the community spirit. It's not just a place, it's a way of life. After exploring, it's time to slow down at Cafe Regatta. This iconic red cottage is a local favorite, offering cinnamon buns, coffee, and unbeatable views of the water. Whether it's summer or winter, Regatta embodies the cozy charm that makes Töölö so inviting. No visit to Töölö is complete without a stop at Sibelius Park. Named after Finland's most famous composer, John Sibelius, this park is a tribute to creativity and natural beauty. The centerpiece, of course, is the Sibelius Monument, a stunning sculpture of over 600 steel pipes, evoking the spirit of Finnish music. Listen closely, and you might hear the wind playing its own symphony here. As we wander through the streets of Töölö, you'll notice how every corner has its own personality. These streets are more than just pathways. They're a window into Helsinki's everyday life. The cobblestone sidewalks, lined with well-preserved buildings, exude a sense of quiet sophistication. Here, you'll find small, independent shops tucked between charming cafes. Many of these storefronts have been part of the community for decades, each with its own unique story. One moment, you're passing a boutique bakery, its window filled with freshly baked pastries, and the next, you're standing outside a vintage bookstore that feels frozen in time. The streets are alive, but not hurried. Locals stroll with their dogs, stopping for a chat or a coffee. Cyclists glide past effortlessly, a reminder of Helsinki's commitment to sustainable living. And when you look up, you'll see treetops peeking over the rooftops, reminding you that nature is never far away in Töölö. It's this balance between the old and the new, the urban and the tranquil, that makes Töölö's streets so inviting. Walking here, it's easy to feel like you're part of something bigger, yet still entirely at ease. As we wrap up our tour, take a moment to appreciate the serene beauty around you. Töölö isn't about rushing, it's about finding peace in the everyday. Thank you for joining me on this journey through one of Helsinki's most beloved neighborhoods. Until next time, keep exploring. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and drop a comment below with your thoughts.